Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.